So today let's do a 10-minute makeup look. I was thinking about most of my makeup videos that I do, and I kind of go on the assumption that everybody has as much time as I do to focus on just makeup. And I know that's not true. Just because it's my everything doesn't mean it's yours. So I've seen a lot of makeup videos in my feed recently, 10-minute makeup look. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. I'm going to begin this at 9 o'clock. It's not quite 9 yet. At exactly 9 o'clock we'll start, and I'll see if I can contain myself and limit this to 10 minutes. The first thing I'm going to do is put on my Healthy Glow. I really like this. This has been in my collection for a little bit and I haven't used it. I don't remember why. I don't know why I could possibly have ignored this product, because it smells good and it feels good. So last night we watched a great movie. We watched The Invisible Man, and it had Elizabeth Moss in it. She's the one, Pat says her character's name was Peggy on Mad Men. The movie was great. We had no problem staying awake to watch it. It had us on the edge of our seat the whole entire time. You'll want to see that. That was a must-see. All right, there's that. Now I'm going to go in with an eyeshadow look. I'm so tense. I'm going to go ahead and put the Healthy Glow on my lids too. And then I'm going to put my Becca Hydra Mist powder on my lids, if I can get it open. Wow. I'm taking it very seriously that it says to keep it sealed shut so that it stays Hydra-y. I figured since yesterday it made a nice, my makeup that I used the powder underneath the foundation stayed perfect all day long. All right, the next, I'm going to pull out the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, and we're just going to create a look. I'm going to begin like I always do and put a shadow. I'm going to go with Jasper. It's real orangey in my crease and out towards the end of my brow. I'm going to try to, again today, not do a round. I'm going to try to focus on making my downturned eyes upturned again today. There's a makeup artist that I follow on Instagram that all of her makeup looks are big, round, warm shadow looks, and that's why I usually carry mine all the way around my eyes. The next one I'm going to use is Carnelian. I'm going to take that right up the center. Oh, goody. I'm glad I waited on my foundation since I'm going ham with the rest of this stuff. Okay, this is Carnelian. Doing it right up the center. See, it's just a stripe up the center. This is about the time where I always go in with brows, so I'm using the NYX brow pencil in Brunette. I want this to be a 10-minute makeup look, so I'm going to use something that I can speed along with. Wow, this is going fast, isn't it? When Ulta finally opens, I'm going to go in and buy 100 of these, because that was easy. Wow, I've really been making a mountain out of a molehill with that. All right, this is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. So I'm reading a series of cold case murder mystery series that Lee recommended. She used to be in the comments as White Labradors, but her daughter got a hold of her YouTube account and changed the name to something Pixel. So anyway, she recommended. I'm displeased with the Pauling color. Here we go, got it off. Now I'm going to go in with, I would like my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Top. There we go. The Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Top liner, and I'm going to put that on my tight line. The reason I do that for this look is there's less mistakes. You can move faster. It's not as, for some reason, well, I was going to say it's not as bumbly as doing on top of the lashes. I think the lashes themselves hold it in line so that you can move faster. Okay, this mascara builds quickly. It's the Huge by Stila, so I'm going to use this one. See how quickly it builds? I love mascara on the bottom too, also. All right. I'm going to put some Pillow Talk underneath too, right here in the outside corner. Like that. Some Maybelline Instant Age Rewind underneath my eyes. I'm going to use my F64 brush to buff that in. Now I'm going to take my Lauder Mercier Ritual and I'm going to contour bronze. This is my, here, let's use a brush that works better. I don't know why I keep, that's Habit. Ever since I discovered this one is so much better. This is the F23 by Sigma. The other one was too fluffy. Now that I've discovered this one, there we go. I'm going to put some right here too. Alright. I'm going to use some Becca Opal as my highlight. I'm going to use my F03 as my highlight brush. Use my finger to make sure the front isn't too shiny. Concealer brush again to make sure I didn't get it too high. My blush today is going to be the Pure Color Envy Sculpting Blush Rebel Rose from Estee Lauder. I'm going to use, I would like to use a blush brush. Here we go. It is a Sigma F15. And then I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury the number 2 lip cheat. And I'm going to use this. I'll put the name of it right here. It's by Chanel. It's a Coco Flash. It's a real balmy lipstick, so you can just slap it on real fast. So there's my 10-minute look. And it took me 15 minutes, almost 15 minutes. Since we have shown that Jenny can't do it, that I got too involved in my look, let's go ahead and add. Okay, so let's say you find out you have more time than you thought you did. Here's the things that I would add to this look. I'd put another coat of mascara on. I'd put a shiny color on the inner corner. I'm going to take Awakening. And put that there. I would use some more powder. I'm going to use, I love this little brush. This brush feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. It is by Goss. It's at 02. It feels so good. It's like a little kitty paw. I put some more powder under my eyes. Down the side of my nose. Yeah, if you don't own any Goss brushes and you want to own one, I would buy this one. It's just 02. I'm going to hit those bottom lashes again with the mascara because I got powder in them. I am going to add a nude liner to my waterline just in the center. I'm going to add the Becca Opal to my Cupid's bow. I'm going to take my pencil brush and add some opal to the arch of my brow. Some Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Like that. All right, so now I just turned it into a 20-minute look. Wow, I even forgot to put earrings in before I came to see you girls today. I'll bring you in close. Y'all have a great day. This was fun doing makeup with you girls. See you soon. Ta-ta.